Pripyat town was built for the nuclear power plant.
Yeah,
for the families to live there.
Yeah, for nuclear workers and the families.
For nuclear worker families. Little radiation signs right here mean don't go off the road because these woods are highly radiated, so it's not very smart to go past that. So these are the higher grades.
Yeah, higher grades, maybe. Right.
Looks like an art class.
Yeah, this is art class.
Look, the paint is all still here.
Yeah, but have a look over there.
All the jars still in the cabinets. It's so wild how it was left here. It's like this place is frozen in time. Oh, look at that. All that artwork.
Red Army soldier.
Red Army soldier.
It's like a border guard.
Yeah.
Because a green uniform, and you see this is kind. Kalashnikov.
Look at all that artwork.
Actually, it's a good job, you see?
Yeah.
Belarus. The Belarus Republic.
Oh, okay.
So each third republic had own flag, own symbol, but every symbol is very similar to each other. This was Belarusian flag.
That was the Belarus one.
Yeah. So this picture was made by 11 years old girls.
It's a pretty good one.
Yeah, for 11 years.
It's better than I could do.
Me too. So my profession in future, my job in future, this album said. So someone wanted to be a doctor. A German tank, you see this German tank.
Oh yeah, German tank.
And cannon, artillery.
So these kids are drawing about war.
Yep.
A lot of these are about that.
Yep.
You guys got a grenade.
So they, it means they were ordered to draw.
To draw, yeah.
To draw this kind of picture.
This is a dentist.
Yeah, it's the whole room of this school for each single. So every single.
No kids wanted to get their teeth drilled.
Imagine. Some of them run away from school.
Really?
And the parents taking them back by hands. Come back. So we were taught how to shoot Kalashnikov, how to assemble, disassemble, how to fix Kalashnikov, and so on.
Really?
Yeah. In last grade.
In the last grade, you're taught how to disassemble and reassemble guns?
Yeah. You see, this is we were taught about military.
The different ranks and everything.
Yeah. You see, like.
Look at those gas masks. Oh, that's the how to assemble the gun.
Yep. This is projector, as you can see. Projector.
Yeah. This is what you're taught in the last grades. Wow. Look at this gas mask right here. This is where guns were kept?
Yeah, guns.
Yeah, I could see this giant metal
Yeah.
cage here. So every student was to have a gas mask, correct?
Yeah. And here they were taught how to use it.
So that's why there's so many everywhere.
Yeah. You can see filters. You can see this is where guns, Kalashnikov were
Yeah,
stored.
that's where they stored the guns. There's none left.
Yep.
You got a slide. They have a little monkey bar dome. actually growing over the basketball net.
And try to guess what is in there.
Alright,
Okay.
let's see what this is.
It's a store. It's a store, but try to guess what did they sell.
Okay, so it's a type of store.
Yes, but what did they sell? It's a mystery.
Did they sell pianos?
Yeah.
Big mystery. Did not take me very long to figure out that they sold pianos in this store. Judging by the way it is out here, I'm gonna guess TVs. Guessing they sold TVs in here.
It's your guess, yeah?
Yeah, that's my guess.
Okay, correct. Another 12 points.
Another 12 points. Look at those old TVs. I did have an old TV. Never one that was that old though. So we just entered into a kindergarten. All the parents would leave their kids here when they went to work. And look at their toys still up here. A little pair of shoes.
Sandals.
Little pair of sandals. And even some
Pretty dog.
dolls.
I mean, pretty.
They even have a teddy bear.
You can see radiation
It's very low.
very low.
Let's see.
So in Kyiv, radiation higher than outside because of building materials. They a little bit radiate, like granite stone or marble.
Right, right.
But here, different situation. Inside, lower than outside because outside is contamination.
Check it out. All these toys.
I tried to fix it.
Out of the 50,000 people that lived here, 17,000 of them were kids. And they actually had 12 kindergartens in this town.
And creepy.
Yeah, very creepy.
How about this? Is it creepy or not?
Yeah, it's a little creepy. Someone put a mask. It's a very small gas mask.
Because it was kindergarten.
It was kindergarten, that's why. And they put it on the baby doll.
But
Look how small it is.
for children, for very little kids, small filter, small gas mask.
I think smaller gas masks are creepier. Look at these tiny desks. Look how small they are.
Yeah, it's much smaller than in school.
Yeah. You forget how tiny these kids actually are. It's such a small chair. Oh, this is where the nap time was. All the pillows are still here too. So if you guys don't already know, my friend Exploring with Josh was here, I think last year. He did the same kind of tour. Another baby with a mask on. This is something new. A bunch of dolls having a little meeting. There are gas masks everywhere, even these little kids ones. Look how small those are. They don't even look real. Someone has a collection of trucks.
Some photographer did big job.
Some photographer went through all the rooms and gathered all the trucks.
So everyone who working here has to have special device which collect radiation same amount as your body collects.
Oh, okay.
It's still very strictly everything controlled here by the
Gotcha.
government.
So these devices were made here and they collect radiation just as you do.
Correct. 12 points. So this is a local switch port.
Oh, look at that.
It's just a switch port.
Just a switchboard, huh?
Yeah. Telephone station. We call it telephone station.
Right.
It's direct transmission. No smoking. Officially, they built radio receivers called Jupiter, but secretly, bigger part of this factory built electronic equipment for Russian nuclear submarine. High technology factory at that time.
Oh, look at these cases.
Treasure.
Treasure.
Maybe gold is there.
Ooh.
Let's check.
Didn't open.
But no, you see, it's, how do you call it?
Oh, it's wired shut.
Plumb. So, do you have anything to open it?
I don't have a crowbar.
Okay. But this is the same thing, but open.
Yep.
This is,
What is that?
try to guess.
It looks like a smoke detector.
Oh, good, 12 points again. So this is just boxes with full of smoke
detectors.
Yeah, brand new.
You could install that in your house. A lot of telecommunication parts around here.
See, everything is abandoned, bad, deteriorated, rusty,
Yeah.
dusty.
Rusty and dusty in here.
It's tube. Like should be some like TV set,
Ah.
like like screen.
It's a monitor.
Monitor, like screen. Yeah.
Oh, look at this desk.
You see, it's in one.
Oh yeah, it's the rotary phone.
I see. No Alaska, no New York, no Washington, no Arizona. Probably it's like no USA.
They just cut.
Red bottom.
What is this?
Yeah, what is this?
It's a bunch of cards.
Punch cards.
Punch cards, okay.
Yeah, punch card. Old computer.
Yeah.
Old memory card.
Oh, wow. There's a ton of them.
Yeah, ton, because it might be so all together. This bunch of punch cards might be all together like 12 megabytes. Maybe less even. Maybe
12
less.
megabytes.
Maybe less.
That's crazy. That's old
just
memory card.
Yeah, first digital technology. Old,
Yeah, they got motherboards.
Old electronics. Okay, today here we got the lowest record, 0.09.
There's no radiation
No
here.
radiation, but it's like ironic science. But this place was in use after the accident, and they built equipment which can be in use in big radiation background. Also, they built some devices to measure radiation.
Right.
So they need calibrators. They need samples of radiation. So they were kept here.
So these were safes.
Yeah, safe for radiation calibrators, for equipment. To calibrate equipment.
Okay.
They need samples, they need, you know.
There's so much left here. I've never seen so much equipment in one abandoned building. It's like there's just an influx of new things. Never seen so much. Oh, look at that door.
Yeah.
Oh, look at another gas mask.
Yo, I told you you will be tired after the tour. They're everywhere.
They are everywhere. Yeah, the doors are nicer here.
Yeah. So here was a like lady secretary, you know. Was sitting here and okay. Boss is waiting for you. Come in.
Oh, look at this. The director's room.
Yep. After the accident, they built equipment which can be used like remote controlled equipment.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this robot called light robot to provide area with light. You see torch. You see like big.
Yeah, so it was a big spotlight robot.
Yep. So this one was called mini car. You see also this is a remote controlled machine.
What did this one do?
It's not written purpose.
It looks like it has a light, but it looks like it pulls stuff maybe with that. There's a cable on the back of it.
Robot called Дорожник. It's like road workers. It is moving without people, you know. It's maybe a clear road.
Oh yeah.
So to have other robots come behind. So move garbage off road.
Yeah.
Informator.
There's a ton of these things.
Yeah.
All these machines are doing different jobs. Did we see any of these at that little spot over there?
I think most of them left on the paper, just a project, like a design.
Oh, so no, some of these.
Maybe some of them are made in this factory, but some were made. It was designed here.
Yeah, it's a safe, and that's a lock.
Yeah, it's still here because it's heavy.
What's inside of this safe?
Vodka, no?
Looks like it.
Champagne.
Champagne. Because it's a director. Champagne.
Vodka.
Yep. Vodka and gas masks. That's what happens at the library when one of the bookshelves gets knocked down, and then they all get knocked down.
Domino effect.
Yeah, they're like dominoes. One hospital for 50,000 people, but it's a big one.